Okay, CC Cycle 1, Week 11. We're talking about note names and scales. So this week you're going to sing the cycle song together, and then you're going to ask the students how many letters are in the alphabet. There's 26. Then you're going to tell them that there are only 7 notes in the musical alphabet, and we use A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Okay? Just as we use ABCs to write words, we use the notes to write songs. Okay? You're going to introduce 2 mnemonic devices to help the students remember the note names, and that's right here on page 98. Okay, here we go. So, when a note is on a line, every good boy does fine. E, G, B, D, F. Okay, when they're on the note or on the line, every good boy does fine. When a note is on a space, it spells the word face. So the first, F-A-C-E. Okay, so that's where all the notes lie on the staff. E, G, B, D, F, F-A-C-E. You start with E, the space is F, the line is G, the space is A, the line is B, the space is C, the line is D, the space is E, the line is F. Okay, so that's where the notes are going to fall on the staff. Then you're going to take out your tin whistles, practice proper hand placement, remind them how to listen to the conductor, what the raised hand means, what the closed fist means, make sure they're all playing together. You can even use this time to review some of the rhythms, some of the dynamics, forte, piano, some of the notes, quarter note, half note, whole note, how many beats those get, what is a measure, what is a bar line, what is the staff, what does the treble clef look like, those things, okay? Then you're going to practice the song one measure at a time. So for the little ones, just take the first measure, right? All fingers down for that first note. Cover the holes completely with your fingers. Ta, 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 ta. Ta, 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 ta. Okay? So we're going to be practicing those. And you can even name those notes now that we know the names. So if you go to the song, here we go. If the first line is E, the one before it is D. So D, D, and then remember the space is F-A-C-E. The second space is A. So A, A. We have them right here. D, D, A, A. Okay? D, D, A, A. Okay? You can continue on with that as your guide. And then you can repeat as many times as necessary, even have the kids do it individually, etc. Then you're going to distribute the blank staff sheets, okay? And you're going to have the students write whole notes as the scale, okay? So write a whole note on the first line, then the next line's the space is going to have a whole note, then the next line is going to have a whole note, then the space is going to have a whole note, then the next line is going to have a whole note, all the way up. And have them go ahead and label them, maybe here on the bottom. So E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, right? Paying attention to what note comes next. Remember the lines, every good boy does fine, and the spaces F, A, C, E. Okay? Then you're going to explain that our tin whistles are in the key of D. So the scale, tell them what scale means. A scale, let's see, it has a good definition here. A series of notes played in order which have incrementally higher or lower sounds is called a scale. So the D scale is the one that we're in, okay? So it's going to start with D. It says right here on this page, on page 99, right here, that's where we are. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. Okay? Now, some of the letters have this little pound sign next to it. In music, that's called a sharp. And all that does is slightly raise the note a little bit, and it gives it a new note name. So it's actually going to be D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. And that's just what the D scale is, okay? You don't really have to go into detail with that. If one of your kids has a question, they can come to me and ask me more about the scale and why they have sharps and things like that. But just so they know, that's what the sharp sound, or that's what the sharp does, that's what it looks like, and that's what's in the D scale. Okay? So, using the D scale as a model, you're going to have the students draw and label the D scale going up on the blank staff paper. Okay? You're going to have them draw the little whole notes and draw sharp next to the F and the C. So help them find that, right? Remember, F-A-C-E is in the spaces. So the F is that first space. So that note's going to be a sharp, and the A is going to be a sharp. So help them to find that, okay? And here, this will help you. The next page, page 100. This is what their little deal should look like, okay? D, E, F, sharp here. G, A, B, C, sharp here. D, okay? And this actually gives you all the fingerings here. This is page 100. Gives you the fingering label or charts for the notes on the D scale. Okay? Let's see. Have the students draw and label the D scale. And then have the students label the notes below each line on the song. So you're going to go back to the song page. And it's already there, but it's okay. You can have them label it anyway. So we're going to have them label D, D, A, A. I think that's what, I can't even see backwards. B, B, A, D, D, F sharp, right? E, E, D. Okay, so you're just going to have them label what letter that note is. Okay, and that is all they have for that week. If you need staff paper, oh, sorry guys, it's on page 103. That's where the blank staff paper is, okay? That's important. That's really helpful. Page 103 in your Foundations Guide, okay? Thanks.